All right, gang, while I got you out here, I'm out rolling, I'm making videos and stuff right now, so I figured I might as well go ahead and show you what's going to be my welding table. Finally got one. Ta-da! So this is an old industrial table. If you've ever been around any kind of industrial environment, you've seen stuff like this. You know, it's very common. But the size of it is 6 feet. 6 feet wide, 30 inches deep, so 2.5 feet deep, and you know, I don't know, 32 inches tall, 34 inches tall, something like that. But the important thing is the size. I had plenty of opportunities to get a 4x8, and it's just too big. It would take up too much space. This right here is still small enough to where I can maneuver it all over in the shop. I'm going to use the wheels that I took off of these guys. Right? I use 4 of them on this so that it moves around, and do all kinds of funky stuff to it, you know. I'm going to hook up a vise to it. Underneath, I will probably use, for you guys watching the channel, and you know, I already got one of these in the house, using it for tool storage in the house. And this one right here, I'm going to mount it probably like you know, right there, right underneath it. So, and I'll do all kinds of cool shit, like the welder, the plasma cutter, the torch, all of the tanks and everything, you know, all of these, like the argon tanks and stuff, is all going to be attached to that table. And it's going to be on wheels, and I can roll it and move it. And that's the whole plan. Possibly on one end, I will get that welding table from Harbor Freight, just to have, like, maybe I'll cut out a section of this and insert that in here, because a welding table, a proper welding table, it has these holes and these pretty specific clamps that go down in there so that you can clamp shit and then weld it, because whenever you weld metal, it likes to move a lot. And anyways, but yeah, this is it. I don't need a $8,000 welding table, you know. I can scrounge around and make something work with this, do my own tricks to it. But if you look up like just welding table on YouTube, you'll probably find a video of a red welding table that a man made. That's what I'm going for with this. It's so cool. I mean, I'll try and remember to put it in the comments of this channel right here. And that way you can see what I'm going for with this table. Will I do as good as that job? No. Or that guy? No. I won't do as good a job as that guy. But, you know, I mean, if I can even come close, you'll get what I'm aiming for. And it's like, oh yeah, that's going to be really an awesome little table to have. But yeah, that's kind of what's going on in my world. Really looking forward to the having the ability to weld, because I've got to start pretty soon here, start building a big, what do you call it? A big thing to put a big log on. I got to build one, and because I got some testing I got to do. So anyways, I got to get my welder going. That's kind of where we're at. The lathe, I have not turned it back on since that original video I did with it. It's been cold. I'm not fully set up. I still can't even build a fire in my wood stove over there. The unicorns. But yeah, this right here, I will be going tomorrow morning to get another table similar to this that guy will sit on permanently. And that's what I'm doing, because I don't like it sitting on that. I don't want it to sit on that. I want it to sit on something that I can actually bolt down to the floor and really, really, really be solid. And I just don't think that that's one of the thing I don't think that's solid. That little husky cart right there. I just don't think it's all that solid. Anyways, there you go. For you eagle-eyed viewers out there that saw my Star Wars clone, or not clone, Stormtrooper outfit. Yeah, I've said a couple times that the channel is going to go in a different direction, and it is. You're going to like it though, so don't worry. I'm not going to be, it'll still be basically the same. I'm just doing something that I think will bring in more viewers. And that's why this stuff is going on too. You know, that's the whole reason for doing that. It'll all come together. It will. It'll all come together. But yeah, you got a couple more months before it actually truly comes together. And whenever it does, I think that, you know, what I'm shooting for completely is that I'll be able to produce fewer videos of higher quality. And then I will be able to produce a lot more of the short format videos that I can use on, you know, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, that will draw people to the channel. So anyways, but maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. Either way, it's gonna be fun and you'll like it. So don't worry about me changing too much. I ain't. I just feel like I've been pigeonholed into the chainsaws with the name Novice Lumberjack. And so I'm getting a more vague workshop type of name, and it'll allow me to do other things. And when people see my channel, because here's the deal: people are finicky, and if not everything is perfect, well, you just won't get them, right? You mess up one time, and they just won't get you. You say something that's a little bit sideways about somebody that they like, well, they hate you, and it's like, oh, that guy's an idiot. Really? So anyways, well, Novice Lumberjack, let's just think about that. That is really pigeonholed big time. If you're not into the lumberjack thing, let's say I did a video about welding. I can't teach anybody anything about welding, but let's say I did a video about welding and you're watching it and you're like, man, it's a good video. What's this channel called? Oh, Novice Lumberjack. It just doesn't jive. It just doesn't jive with anything, really. Even the timber sports thing, it doesn't jive because people don't want to watch a novice. They don't even know what a novice is. Come on, you freaking hillbillies. You don't even know what a novice is. You never heard it until you saw my channel. And you're like, what's a novice? And you had to go and you typed it in. Novice, it's a beginner. Oh, well. Yes, I'm making fun of you. Anyways, but I'm laughing with you, not at you. Jeez, no way.